Take your magazine out so you're inside the net. Not you, but try that one.
So we're gonna stay to the right of the road, right? There's a game going on about one.
There's a game going on. How badly is this gonna suck?
It's gonna suck. A lot.
My first time here, so never done this before.
This is our worst field. Some people like it. I don't.
And team, you're going to the opposite side of the tank. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do.
Got gloves this time.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Oh, it works now. Sweet. So where's the bucket? Where's the bucket going? Fuck.
Something other than a pistol.
Well, the pistol worked pretty fucking well last time.
Really?
Yeah, it did.
That's
Except
now
the-
you need range.
Yeah. Except at the very start of the game, I rounded the corner, there was a kid with his back to me, and I was like, fire. Nothing. Rack it back, nothing. Mag was empty, didn't have any gas. I was so pissed. There's a dude, there was like my teammate right behind me. I'm like, get him. Ran across and got him. And then I swapped mags and it worked just fine. Got a few, like quite a few people out. Plus that game I was going for collecting the balls and speed, so.
Well, this game, you just pretty much go over it, eh?
And just go.
Yeah, just go and don't stop.
Are you with anyone?
No.
You want to go with us?
Yeah.
Cool. You?
Nope, just me.
You guys want to go with us?
I'll go with you guys.
Shotgun
I'm gonna
buddies.
stay up to the front or to the back a little while we have an element pushing right.
The same exact one.
We're gonna secure the frickin' bolt and then we're gonna provide overwatch.
Alright.
And then move down with you guys.
Yeah.
Ryder, stay with him. I'm gonna move with these guys.
I'm
guys
literally
just
gonna
kinda
go right over this hill. It's like a direct path. So
Yeah, just straight to
I'm
it.
just going. Okay, fuck it.
You think go?
Sounded like it.
Alright, keep following me.
I'm not even getting close. Holy shit.
What's up, guys?
You'll get shot.
What's my range?
Hey, squad mate. On your trench, call me. Alright, follow me. Let's go.
Welcome to the party. Alright, ready?
Got it?
Go.
I'll stop from there too.
Alright. That's a sniper.
Fuck, they're there.
Are they? Trying to think of what to do. In front of you. Move up. They're still dropping. That's one hell of a fucking shot.
When did you get hit?
I got hit through the bushes and I was trying to run up. Might have been a ricochet, but it hurt my butt. So I don't know, I just called it so I'm not a dickhead.
Fucking A.
Yeah, someone looked at from front of the
Why their mag?
How many man responded? I'm using one
Well, lost the pistol mag.
Hey, we're waiting for you, buddy.
What, man?
That's 5, let's go. I don't know.
We already got this guy.
Is that 5? Yeah.
Alright.
I'm clearing it. I need someone to protect me.
Can you touch it from there?
Is anyone in the bunker? Anyone in the bunker? Is anyone in the bunker? Where is the bunker?
See, my gun's broken, so I'm using it. It's not hard. We got someone with a cool star.
I think it's in those trees though. Isn't it in those trees?
I can't see my damn police car. See, this noise, my AK doesn't sound good.
Motor. Take your motor height. Thanks. Yeah, except it's a little bit taller than I am, so when I hit branches like that. Where's it at? Where's it at?
Can you see right now?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see.
I'm foggy. They don't know we're here, no way.
Where's the bunker at?
It's right in the middle. I was there first.
Yeah, was it the group of trees?
It's right in the middle, like the bunker. It's like right there.
Alright.
Let me...
Do you know if anyone's in it?
Yeah, they're in it, alright. Shit.
Circle around this way. They know, they know, they know. They know we're here. Told you, they know.
Hey, bucket team, there's a motherfucker about 15 meters off your left.
You just gotta say fucking go.
Yep.
That's the only way.
Try and stay low until we can get to a clearing where we can stand up and run.
There's a bunker right there.
I see it.
I got one of them.
Gotta figure out if I want to go or not.
Oh shit.
There's a dude right in the beginning of their bunker, and I can't hit him with this. Try. Woo!
Where are they at?
He's right in the bunker, like lying prone.
Which bunker? The one?
The one with the bucket. That one right over there with all the trees.
In the middle bunker or the one with the
The
tree?
one right there. Like 3 inches from us, yes.
Let's make a push, Dan team. Let's make a push.
Hit!
After where he's at. Hey, all you guys, hey. There's some guy right there. He's over there.
Down goes Frazier.
Oh, right here? Yeah.
Crouching laying down. I'm already going off.
I need someone to rush with me just to clear out the bunker.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright. They've got that side, right?
Yeah, they're all up right there.
Can we send a team around again?
I don't know.
How do I?
Where are you?
Sniper. Watch out.
Hey, push up! You people in the back, you're not hitting anything. Push right.
Yo, multicam in that hole right there. Go.
Multicam.
Get in the hole.
Come on, brother.
Get in the fucking hole right in front of you. Get in it.
Go. We'll cover you. I'm gonna try and push up.
Alright, I'm just trying to find some more cover to get closer.
2 fucking bunkers right there.
Really?
Yeah.